Hello, everyone, and welcome to this activity. Today, we are going to take our homework. It is a reading comprehension activity. It is called a restaurant menu, and it is taken from British Council. So let's see. First of all, you have to match the keywords with the meaning. The first word was dressing. Dressing is a sauce to put on salad. That's the meaning of it. Served with, it is comes with. It is the same. It has the same meaning. Homemade, it means not from a shop. You know, of the day. Sorry, of the day changes every day. That's the meaning of it. Roast. Roast is cooked in an oven. That's the meaning of it. Vegetarian, of course, it is without meat. That was the first activity. It was a preparation task. And then you had to read this activity. You know that reading is not only a story, but also it could be, as in this case, a restaurant menu, or it could be maybe in the app or the board with flights. Okay, the first activity, you have to write the words in the correct group. The groups are meat, drinks, ways to prepare food. The first word is grilled. Grilled is a way to prepare food. And then sausage. What's that? It is meat, of course. Red wine, of course, it is drinks. Chicken, it is meat. And then homemade, we just saw the meaning of it. So it is a way to prepare something, in this case, food. Let me see. Of course, then it is, let me see, roast. What's that? Roast. Roast is a way to prepare food. Coffee. Of course, it is a drink. Steak. Steak is meat, and finally juice, that is a kind of drink. Okay, that was the first part of our activity. And then you had to read the sentences and decide if these sentences are true or false. The first one, the fish is the same every day. Of course, it is false. You can choose what comes with the steak. True. The pizza has meat on it. Of course, it is false. Soup is served with bread. True. They make the ice cream themselves. It is false. And finally, the cheapest drink is coffee in this restaurant according to the menu. It is false. That was all our activity. Thank you very much. So